sẵn sàng chưa nào?
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Hello everyone, my name is Miss Rose and I love teaching and cooking a lot. Do you love cooking? Yes? Great! So especially I love you all the kids a lot. And how are you today, kids? Are you good? Great! So, Missy is so hungry now and I want to make something to eat. But do you know which food is really good for our health? Apples? Yes. Candies? No, right? What about crepes? No. Why? Because they are unhealthy food. So, what about orange? Of course. As an idea. So, now we are going to make fruit salad. Do you like to make a fruit salad? Here we go. But what do we need to make a fruit salad? Follow me and I will show you. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is round and it's red. Can you guess what fruit is it? Okay, so now look at this. Do you know what is it? It's an apple. That's right, apple. And the next one is green. What fruit is green? There are a lot of fruit that are green, right? So you can look at the picture and guess. I think you know this fruit. I'm not really good at drawing, right? But can you guess what it is? It's a pear, right? One more time. Pear. It's a pear. And the next one, they are so small. Okay, so what are they? They are, yes, grapes. Grapes. One more time. They are grapes. Great job. Next is a small one and it's red too. I love these fruit. Okay, it's a, it's a strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, one more time. It's a strawberry. Great job. And don't forget this one. It's really important to make a fruit salad. I think you can draw better than me. It's a yogurt. Yes, a yogurt. Okay, so now everyone let's repeat one more time. Apple. Apple, right. A pear. Pear, right. And go to the supermarket? Do you like to go to the supermarket with me? Here we go. Wow, I see a lot of fruit at the supermarket. So the first one I want to find is apple. Ah, here it is. Apple. I find the apple. So look, what color is this? It's red. So we need 2 red apples. And the next one is strawberries. Where are the strawberries? Yay! It's here. So strawberry is red too, right? So how many strawberries do we need? I think 6 is enough. So now let's count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's enough. And the next fruit is pear. Pear. Can you see the pear? Yeah, right? A pear. And the last one are grapes. Wow, the grapes is here, purple grapes. So I put it in the basket. And the last one we need is yogurt. Here it is. Hi, are you ready? So let's get started to make fruit salad with me right now. But before cooking, what should we do? We should wash our hands and wash all the fruit, right? Step number 1, wash our hands and wash all the fruit. Okay, so try to be gentle with the grapes. So we should wash our hands with soap. Alright, so to make this salad, I'm using some more things. First is cooking hat. We wear cooking hat when we are cooking. And the next one, they are gloves. We wear the gloves. And this is a peeler, a knife. This is a fork. And we need 2 bowls, a big bowl and a small bowl. And do you know what is it? It's a cutting board. Right, so now let's get started. I'm beginning with the apples. We peel the apple with a peeler. Okay, everyone, are you ready? So now let's peel. Okay, so now I'm finished peeling with the apple. Next, I will peel the pear. Do you finish peeling? Wow, so now what are we going to put in our fruit salad? How about strawberries? We remove the green and then cut the strawberry into 2 or 4 pieces depending on the size, with this small one which is cut in half. Okay, so now let's start. The last fruit is grapes. They are small enough to cut it in half too. Next, I'm cutting the pears and the apple into chunks. Now we put all the fruit together in a big bowl. First, the strawberry, then the grapes, next the pears, and the apples. Now we move on step 3. We add some yogurt in the bowl. Wow. So, do you finish your salad? How is it? Is it good? I hope so. So now it's time to try it.
Let's wash our hands before we eat.
If I had one word to describe this, it would be fresh. I love how the yogurt makes it a little bit creamy. And how about yours? Is it good? Do you like it? Hi kids! I really want to give you this delicious and healthy fruit salad. It's really easy to make it at home when we have long days off because of the coronavirus. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and it's time to say bye-bye now.
Giờ học tiếng Anh vui nhộn đã khép lại hoạt động của ngày hôm nay rồi. Các bạn đã đói chưa? Chúng mình hãy cùng nhau đi rửa tay và uống một cốc sữa ấm để tiếp thêm năng lượng sau một ngày hoạt động tích cực nhé. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong những buổi học sau.